Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. So you can have a look at lots of motorhomes here. This is from the Hymer group. Ariba Caravans, one of the first acquisitions of Hymer. There's the main Hymer brand, as you can see from there. Behind me I've got death lifts. Here we've got Carthago, which was introduced in 2005. It was a brand actually created, meant to be a cheaper brand of Hymer. They took over a former tractor factory in former East Germany, Neustadt and Sachsen. The most modern factory for motorhome or RV production, possibly in the world. I've been saying this for some time. It's now been in existence for 20 years, but having seen a number of factories where vehicles are produced, it is amazing. Anyway, you can see the video I did from there. Now, that factory, they produce both Sunlight and Carthago, and we're now going to have a look at this. It's a Sunlight vehicle. And I'm going to come down here and we'll take a look at this one here, which is the Sunlight T67S Adventure Edition. Costs 72,000 euros. That's more than double what it cost when I started doing these videos. And it comes with, first thing, see, it's got a bed up there. It's got like a lot of space in here. It's got this old fashioned like looking fridge, a corner piece here, and it's got this bed. So it's the layout itself is old. What is new, it's the things like the indirect lighting, this color scheme, which does make it somewhat better. Now in here we will find the washroom, which also has had a bit of an uplift. You can see this in former years. I've got this vehicle which I've filmed, for example, it is, you know, well, I think the first time I filmed this was about 2016, something like that. And I've got a video with me out in one of these in Switzerland, for example, as well. So this is new. I don't think it's as practical. I think it looks good, but I don't think it's practical. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. Here's your shower unit, and so you have to open this to get to the shower. You see there's two drainage points in there. Right, now the rear has got this bed here. It's open at one side, closed at the other. Because it's closed because we've got the washroom there. This will come out to produce an even bigger bed, an enormous bed. And at the back we've got this pointless storage area. What they should have done is to put normal storage with doors on them. I really think this is completely pointless. If you need some of a hearing aid, glasses case, or whatever else you take the bed here, then get a pouch or something like that, which is more practical. And if people actually built these things, used them, they would know that. It comes with a window in either side, as well as a window in the roof. And underneath, as you'd expect, also we have a little bit of storage down there. So there's I think that is the infill for the bed here. I think, I'm not absolutely certain, it might be from another vehicle. And there, more storage, as well as the ladder. The ladder is used to get into bed here, because obviously when you've got this bit here, that's where the ladder goes, because this comes out further. It comes down there like that. So therefore you need the ladder. Kitchen here comes with a lot of space, I think, actually, for a small kitchen. 2 burners, and of course a sink, and you've got storage below. Storage down here, as I open it up, goes back quite some distance. I don't know if you can see that. Very, no, it's relatively, yeah, I think that's relatively okay. Bin in the door. the fridge, obviously it's new, and fridges are built for use within these vehicles. It does look because it's fat, it looks somewhat old-fashioned, I think. Now up here we've got a bed. The bed will come down manually. All right, so it's somewhat difficult to do with just one hand. So you heard that? I've clicked it out and I've pulled it down. And that's what the bed looks like inside. It also comes with these things up there. There's a net below, and the net will attach to those buckles up there. And there's the the steps, the ladder to get into bed with. Push this. Also note the skylight. So that sounds as though it's in place right now. So the next big question is, how much space is there under the bed? There you can see me, and I've got this much space above my head. I'm 1.75 m. I do feel as though it's pressing down a little bit on me, but I mean, there's still plenty of space above me. And that's the main thing. Let's have a sit down here. Now, what's the point of that? Don't quite know, but I do think it looks quite nice. This, you can take this off, but hey, look at this. It's a nice place to put your legs like that. Put your legs here, and you could watch television if you had the television up there like that. So that would be quite. That'd be all right, wouldn't it? Really. This new version of the T67, I think, is it's definitely an improvement on previous versions. I think I've got more videos of this vehicle. Certainly I've got more of this vehicle than I have any other Sunlight vehicle, but it may be that I've got more film of this T67 from Sunlight than any other vehicle. Maybe, I'm not certain. But that's some previous versions. Right, let's have a look outside. And right, so we've got here this enormous garage here, and you've got there's also a door at the other side. The other door at the other side is smaller. I think that's done for technical reasons. Also, there's these lashing straps on either side as well. So there you go. You can get a CMT multimedia pack with a reversing camera and navigation for nothing. Instead of the 2,750 euros it would normally cost, and that includes putting it in, so installation. Okay, good. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, so if you're interested to see more, then I'll give some links below to what the T67 motorhome from Sunlight looked like in the past. At the moment, from me, bye for now.